quick and easy and a healthy salad for today. And if that's what you're looking for, you've come to the right place. It's an apple Brussels sprout salad, and it is great for the summertime. Let's start by preparing our Brussels sprouts. I've got about 3 cups of small Brussels sprouts, and we're going to grate them. I'm going to use my Cuisinart because it'll be so much easier, and I don't have to do all that by hand. And I'm feeling a little lazy today. A little tired making all these videos. Oh, I love it though. And it's been great to have you guys as my friends. But I guess I should plug this in. Okay, now we're ready. Let's put this on the top and go for it. Okay, let's take our 2 apples. These are small ones. And we're making our salad is for about 4 servings, maybe even up to 6. So let's cut our apples up. And I want to julienne these apples. So what I'll do is make slices. And then I'll make long slices, forming strips like that. Okay, I'm still julienning. How do you say that? Julienning? Well, something like that. I'm cutting these apples into very small strips. Slice them thinly first and then cut them into strips. While I do this, I'm kind of hungry. Can't resist having a taste. You don't ever do that, I'm sure. I think I'm going to do, I have this bowl of the lemon juice and the lemon zest we've already mixed. I'm going to go on and pour this on here because I don't want the apples turning. And this way the lemon juice will help keep them fresh and keep them from turning brown. So I'll put those on in and get a tool out. Yes, this tool is great. This will let us toss this around in there and keep them from turning. Whoops, I didn't mean to flip it out. The other thing we should do is go on and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 and 2. And let that flip around in there also. Okay, I'll get back to julienning. Yes, that's it. Julienning, not apples. Well, I got a lot better with my julienning once I repeated it. Some of my best ones, oh, look at that. That's really good. So anyway, what we want to do next, oh, I forgot to put the mustard in there. So we do want Dijon mustard, about 2 teaspoons worth. Looks about right. And let's toss all this around. Not toss it out, Denise, toss it around. Okay, let me set this aside. Set it on the floor. And next, what I want to do is my green onions. I have about 2 green onion stems, the greens part. You could use chives, whichever you prefer. And we're just gonna cut them into little pieces. wish I'd sharpened my knife before I started this. Okay, into the salad. Now we want about a half a cup of pecans chopped. I'm going to get my bigger knife. That'll work better. Well, Darby's at the base of my feet. I must be knocking pecans on the floor. I hope they're good for dogs. Okay, that looks good. Let's put those in. Okay, now then, let's do our salt and pepper to taste. Got my great pepper grinder. I love this thing. Almost peppering too much because of it. Okay, let's toss that around. Okay, let's put this on a plate and give it a try. Okay, let's see what it tastes like. That's good. I want more lemon in mine. More lemon zest and lemon juice. So I think I'll increase it to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of zest. So there we have it.